Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. In a previous video, I discussed my approach to a two-knife or two-tool system for urban EDC, and I think that combination makes for a good coverage when you go out every day in an urban or city setting. Now, a big shout out to one of my subscribers who's actually really active on the channel as well, Miklo Spinter. He always makes great comments and shares insights and ideas to make different kits and setups better. And in a previous video where I talked about my Alox Pioneer 2002 limited edition Swiss Army knife, he highlighted the Swiss card. He kind of reminded me of the Swiss card, but he also brought to my attention that there's a Nailcare version of the Swiss card which doesn't have that hidden knife. Now honestly, I didn't even know there was a Nailcare version. I was only familiar with the original Swiss card. So I immediately looked it up and I saw the potential of this particular knife and being part of a tool system for urban EDC. And I'll explain more in just a bit. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. Thanks. So let's first have a look at the Swiss card Nailcare, and then I'll talk about my system. So here we have all the different items inside. I won't read it through here, I'll just show it in just a bit, but it comes in this packaging, and I got the black transparent version. It does come in other colors. It's got this nice fit over here. And let's just have a look at the Swiss card. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the concept of the Swiss card, which is kind of like a Swiss Army knife, but within a plastic credit card sized packaging like this. Now, the main difference with the Nailcare version is the replacement of that knife. And I think that's a great replacement actually. Now you have this glass file, so it's a nail file. It actually works really well. I'm not sure if the glass is an issue in terms of being very brittle. It can break, so you would have to be careful with that. Maybe they did this for kind of to go past some kind of regulations, because I know in some countries or states or cities you can't have that knife here because it would be considered a hidden knife, and that would make this an illegal item. So probably maybe they didn't want a metal object which could be potentially perceived as a knife, so that's why they have it glass. So you have that file, you have that really nice scissors over here which goes in here. Over here we have a very small pair of tweezers, but again good for things like cuticles or pulling out hairs and stuff like that. Here we have a pen. Not sure how that goes to Nailcare, but maybe you need to write something on your nail. You do have a toothpick, I guess, to clean the undersides of your nails. You have the magnifying glass, and of course a ruler to measure how long your nails grow, because I know that some people's nails would grow 3 centimeters in a week. And then of course the most relevant tool for a lot of people would be these screwdrivers, because many people may have screws embedded in their fingers which they might need to tighten from time to time. So you get that combination of Phillips head screwdrivers and flatheads, all great in this nice little package over here. So that's the Swiss card Nailcare, and I think this is an excellent kind of complement to that two knife or tool system. If you do not want to carry a Swiss Army knife, you want to carry a regular folder, but you do like to have some kind of a multi-tool setup, you like to have maybe the scale tools or some sort of screwdrivers, so you have your folder but you don't want to carry a Swiss Army knife or multi-tool, this becomes perfect because it's just so small in a sense. This can go to your wallet, can go to your pocket, or in a pouch. You can carry this separately, and you kind of have a tool system over here, and have quite a lot of functionality within this card to complement your folder. Another way that I think this works really well is if you do want to carry another Swiss Army knife, but you don't have the scale tools or maybe even the scissors. So for example, you want a really slim profile, this works perfectly. This is the Alox Cadet. Look how thin that is. Now together, this is very slim. You can slip this in your pocket and probably forget about it, but you do have capabilities of a main large blade, and then you have that cap lifter, screwdriver combo with wire stripper, and then that can opener, flathead screwdriver combo as well. At the same time, you got more drivers over here if you need. You have the scissors and scale tools with such a slim packaging, and both items from Victorinox, and I can see this really being a winning combination. If you prefer a bigger tool, you can bring like a Pioneer. Now this is the Pioneer X, so there's already a scissors here, but if you have a Pioneer, you get a slightly 93mm larger Swiss Army knife, if you like that heft better, along with the Swiss card. Or finally, maybe you like the wood scale Swiss Army knife. This is the Spartan. Now because of the wood scales, it doesn't have any scale tools. And also for the Spartan, there's no scissors. So this now complements this. And you don't need to get a really thick multi-layer Swiss Army knife. You can get something like this in the walnut wood, which is very classy. Bring this along. Whoops, see, I'm so excited. You bring this along and you get a great package for a tool system, and I think this really is a great addition to the discussion of a tool knife system for urban EDC. So thank you and shout out once again to Miklo Spinter. Thanks for that. And do you guys use the Swiss card, especially the Nailcare version, as part of a tool system for urban EDC? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.